Hey guys, Jai Reid from O'Brien Real Estate Mornington, and welcome to another weekly property update for Saturday, the 22nd of September. This week, we're filming from the Mornington foreshore. How great has it been to have the sun shining this week? Let's have a quick look at last weekend's REIV auction results. The clearance rate reported by the REIV last weekend was 57%, which was a 6% decline from the previous weekend. This very time last year, the auction clearance rate sat at 74%. The team have an exciting weekend this weekend, with 2 homes going to auction and plenty of open homes for you to come down and see with us. Our first open for inspection will be from 10 to 10:30 a.m. at 5 Rodney Court, Mornington. Enjoy a delicious breakfast at Lilo's Cafe and then walk 300 metres to this fantastic 4-bedroom home. The pool and Vagola areas are a must-see. 39 Stanley Street, Frankston begins with an open home at 11 a.m, followed by an auction at 11:30 a.m, called by Braden Jarrett. Come down and enjoy the auction of this character-filled home and a free coffee from our coffee cart provided by Coffee Lux. We're then heading to Mount Martha's 22 Settlers Way for an open for inspection at 1 to 1:30 p.m. This is a great opportunity to purchase a home with Benton Square Shopping Centre and local schools at your doorstep. Our second auction for the weekend will be at 41 Stanley Street, Frankston. The home will be open to view prior at 1 p.m, followed by the auction commencing at 1:30 p.m. This home is in a great location and would be ideal for a first home buyer or investor. If you require any assistance bidding at auction, please feel free to contact any O'Brien's team member. From 2 to 2:30 p.m, you can view 75A Barclay Street, a new immaculate 4-level townhouse which provides executive living for the next lucky owner. From 3 to 3:30, one of our absolute gems, 21 Tintagel Way, will be open for inspection. The home has 4 stunning living areas in a great Mornington Parkside location. Now let's have a quick look at this weekend's off-market properties. These homes are available to view via a private inspection. I look forward to seeing you out and about at our open homes and auctions this Saturday. Thank you and see you for next week's video.